Hey guys, we have a dream shop for you guys. Ryan and I are absolutely in love with Jim and Jill's shop. You got to check this out. This is amazing. So we're going to take you for a tour on the ultimate dream shop. If you don't know, you guys are
Jim. Oh, Jim.
I'm Jill with Dacota Creations.
Dacota Creations.
This is our awesome shop.
Yeah. So let's so lead us around, or Ryan, you lead. I don't care.
Well, first of all, we got to start with the sauce stop. On
No
the sauce
beer,
stop.
no beer cans on
No
the
beer
sauce
cans.
cups.
But man, this thing's pretty sweet.
So you've had this for a while.
Yeah, this is probably the oldest big machine we've had.
Really.
So this was my first probably big build.
This is an outfit here for both the jet and the.
Yeah,
That's kind of
it
cool.
can be.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a good idea.
Yeah.
I didn't plan it that way, it just happened to
Just worked out that way.
Worked out.
Picture wood is a hobby, just for fun. So I got my grinder set up for sharpening the tools, and then my lathe. I want to redo the cabinet on it to make it a little more efficient with space.
Pretty much everything in here is on casters, even though it doesn't need to, but
Yeah.
Like with
it's
a joint,
nice.
or
Yeah.
if you want to joint an 8-foot piece of lumber, we just slide it out.
Yeah.
If it need be,
Open the
open the
door.
garage door. We
Right.
got the air conditioning in here, but we also put an evaporative cooler. So most of the year we run the evaporative cooler and have the doors and windows slightly open.
Yeah.
Now this is.
This is of all the tools in the shop.
Stop drooling on
I
me.
know.
This
It's
thing
gonna
is like,
Great for resawing for bandsaw boxes or ripping 8-quarter lumber down to something I can use.
yeah.
This is a very handy machine, and I originally wanted a Laguna one, but
Uh-huh.
after 9 months of waiting for them to come in, and this is way before COVID, we just couldn't get an answer on if we were even ever going to get it, and I already paid for it, so I wound up getting this instead.
Gotcha.
So
Gotcha.
it doesn't match the color scheme, but it's all right. This is my COVID project. Still sitting away, and I needed more storage, and it's good storage, so we could put our festool tools in there.
Yeah.
Threw that up just like a few weeks ago because it was just spraying
It
everywhere.
was every.
Cleaned it up.
No,
or
I
you
just backed in behind that.
Back-
Oh yeah. I didn't even think of vacuum. That makes sense. We're so used to brushes. That we
Well, I
don't-
got the brush right up there in case we need it.
But a vacuum sure makes it a lot nicer.
The CNC.
And it came, I don't know, 8 or 9 months later, and I put it together myself, and Jim helped me with the heavy parts.
What is it? What's the size of the?
It's a 4x4 working
4x4.
area.
That's
And it can be
kind of-
expanded to whatever you want, really. I think the widest you can go is 5 feet, and the length I don't think is really determined. You can go 12 feet. This is the hoarder area.
Yeah, but it's a good thing to hoard.
Yeah,
right?
Jim's got a couple things over here.
Yeah.
I have to save my offcuts and my straps for him so you can use it for turning. So that goes in this pile so we don't get them mixed up or accidentally throw them away.
So I got things in
This is my grow tent for epoxy tent, and it keeps the sawdust off, and I can still work in the shop while
Yeah.
that's curing. So that's been
we
good.
put a small fan in here so it vents it outside.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
vents outside.
I enjoy turning goblets. So just a little Purple Heart wine glass, mini glass. Sometimes turning real small things can be more difficult. Is a piece of offcut from something Jill had made. I just turned it to a handle. I just need to cut it off.
Is that going to be like for a beer tap? That's.
It could be for a tap. It could be for an ice cream scoop. But I have a hard time just giving stuff away that I've made. I have to have the mindset of, okay, I'm making this for this person for this gift, or this for this person for whatever, and then I have no problems. But beer caddy plans, and actually had fun making this. But I realized if I were to sell this, I'd probably have to sell it for about $900 to make I spent so much time.
Yeah.
Man, you really could just spend weeks in here just playing around, making stuff.
Before I went back to school, I come out here Saturday morning. I may not make it back in until after dinner.
If you only had to pick 2 tools out of the shop, what for each of you? I do different things than Jill does. What would be your 2 tools that you have to have?
The lathe.
Yeah.
Probably the table saw would be my next one. can use a table saw for slicing those thin 1/8" pieces that fit in the.
So the lathe and the table saw. All right. So if you were going to recommend somebody doing some of the stuff that you do, whether it's the, let's say the cutting boards, what would be their first 2 purchases that they would need, that they would have to have?
On a bandsaw, and then you would need 3. You need the jointer and the planer to get everything squared up. The bandsaw is super versatile for sure.
Yeah.
For curves and for everything, and then maybe the table saw, those 2. But you could even get a track saw. You don't have to have a table saw.
Yeah. Every time we come down here, we just love to spend time out here. So thank you, Jim and Jill, for kind of walking us around and showing what could be.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. We just love these guys and love to come down here in the Phoenix area. And if you have any questions, let us know. Eric@makeawoodsign.com.
Go check
and
out
please,
Jill.
Please go follow
Jill.
Yeah. But I was thinking Dacota Creations on Instagram, right?
Yeah, that's fine. And then I got Facebook and I have a website.
Yeah. And we'll put links down in the description.
Dacota with a C. Not
Yes,
a K.
I have to be different.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
So, anyway, go follow her and.
Anyways,
Sunday.
thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, there you
Thank
go.
you.
That's a handoff.
Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you have any questions, let us know, and we'll see you soon.
On the next one. Bye.
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 Thank you.